You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to share an Instagram reel directly to WhatsApp. First, open the Instagram app and find the reel you want to share. Tap the paper airplane send icon right below the reel video on the right side. This opens your sharing menu. In the list of sharing options that appears, look for the WhatsApp icon. If you do not see it immediately, you may need to swipe left on the row of app icons or tap more to find it. Tap the WhatsApp icon. A new WhatsApp message window will open. Here you can choose to send the reel to a specific WhatsApp contact or to a WhatsApp group. Select your desired contact or group. The reel will appear as a clickable link preview within the WhatsApp chat. You can add a text message above it if you want. Finally, tap the send arrow. The recipient will receive a message with the reel's link and thumbnail. When they tap it, it will open the reel directly within the Instagram app or their mobile browser. Remember, you are sharing a public link, so this only works if the original Reels account is public or if you are already an approved follower of a private account. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.